This video is for all the hikers out there. Hit like if you enjoy hiking in nature. Shout out to nature. What up guys, Scott here, also known as the ResTLESS, coming at you from New Mexico, land of enchantment. Not only New Mexico though, I'm actually in Lincoln County. And when you think about the history of the Wild West and the outlaws, Lincoln County's home to Billy the Kid. This is where the Lincoln County War took place with the regulators, a posse versus the outlaws. Crazy, crazy stuff happened out here. It's also Labor Day, and I'm on the road, but I wanted to stop, make a quick video, and wish everybody a happy Labor Day weekend. If you had the long weekend, I sure hope you took it off, did something cool. If you didn't have a long weekend, that's cool too. Channel updates, let's talk updates. There's 3 trips that I'm working on getting. The first trip is pretty much locked in. It's gonna be with my boy Chris, hitting segments 4 and segment 5 of the Colorado Trail. At least one of the 2 segments, but hopefully both. The next trip I'm working on is the Lost Creek Wilderness Loop outside of Bailey, Colorado. That's a 28-mile loop. Looks awesome, just amazing formations out there. I really am looking forward to getting that going. And then third, I've got to be in Salt Lake City in maybe 3 weeks from now. So I'm gonna look at doing something out there, maybe an overnighter on my way back to Denver. Probably need to hit up the Backpack Blazer since he lives out there and he makes awesome videos. I'm sure he's got a good recommendation. So those are the 3 trips I'm working on. There's one big project in the works as well. And that is Operation Hot Tent, or Operation No Freezy Freezy. I'm looking to do my own hot tent with one of my Ozark Trail domes that I've got, working on a stove jack. I actually made a wood burning stove that I will show some videos of here pretty soon. But that's the project, guys. I'm trying to make a hot tent and I need your help. If I'm gonna hurt myself, if I'm about to kill myself, shoot me a note, let me know. But I appreciate the support. Other than that, guys, out here, Lincoln County, New Mexico, enjoying the nature. See you soon. Bye.